What did you say?
That two first made out of Rob's cutting room. I got bikini boobies.
You don't have any boobies, Lara.
Yes, I do. Little one. Look. I got two.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, do you guys want to go in the water?
Yeah.
What did you say about my glasses, Ethan?
That means not going in the water.
No, I'm not going to put in the water. Okay, who's going to jump in the pool?
Clap my hand, Lucy. Clap, clap, clap. No, you clap one time and then clap my hand. Then like this. Clap, clap, clap. And then you jump in. Clap,
Do you want to jump in, Ethan? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Is it cold?
Yeah. I do.
But you don't have to tie it. You're not going to drop it. 1, 2. Do you want to jump, Lara?
No, it's too cold.
Is it cold? I haven't felt it. It's not that cold.
I'm untying this.
Ethan, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll fix it later. You're not going to drop it. Remember the game we played the other day, Lara? Do you want to play that today?
Cheese.
Cheese!
Cheese.
Okay. What about you both jump in? Ethan, don't worry about it. Should I help you? Come over here. Come over here. I'll help you. You don't have to worry about it.
I tied this. I'm not tied this.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, I got an idea.
What an idea. Good boy. Jump in, Ethan.
Okay, and then you can take a picture.
1, 2, 3. Jump.
I want you to hold it.
Want me?
Jump. Oh, jump.
Jag vill inte hoppa i alla fall.
1, 2, 3.
Good girl. Are you fast? Cup my hand. Give me a high five. There you go. Alright, I want to see you jump in, Ethan. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good boy. Do you want to give me a high five? Give me a high five. There you go, mate.